Kia ora crew, ever wondered what's hidden on paths less travelled? We're about to find out. I'm BinkyT and today we're walking through the beginning of the Lucas Lane track. It's not a race, it's an adventure. And it all starts right here. Let's go! To Lucas Lane Walkway. Just gonna have a gander and marvel at the tabletop, possibly. I'm not too sure what these mountains are called. Oh, she's brisk. Looking over Hanmer Springs housing situation. So beautiful. Love seeing how these clouds just sneak in. It's a ninja cloud. Here lies Snow Person. I'm surprised how green it is despite all of this cold.
Comes with dampness.
Wowee, look at that. Gorgeous.
There's Jack Pass.
Jack the Ripper. Jack's Pass, Slippery Jack. Takes you up to some mountain biking trails. Let's just enjoy this Jack for a moment. So now this is a mountain biking trail. But how do you get your bike up? You have to pedal up?
Yeah.
Oh man. No. This would be quite an undertaking on a bike coming up here, I think. There's this big divot that we run off from the mountains, huh? Oof. Oh wow. Well, we made it about 10 minutes in before things got a bit too wild. With the sun setting, it's our cue to head back, and it looks like the track turns into pure bush from here. I hope this was a good introduction to the Lucas Lane track. I'll be back out there one day to finish it off. Do check out the full Conical Hill walk, it's already uploaded and is absolutely worth the trip. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.